not old, but
2019.
2019. Yeah, he's got some nice miles on it. And it is dirty. My friend dirtied it up for me so we can do a nice before and after, but we're going to clean this. And then we're going to put an industrial ceramic on it so it's protected. It's going to look brand new when it's done. And it's going to stay looking like that for as long as Jake owns his quad. So that is on the project list for today. Start with a little degreasing. Oh yeah, we got trees growing in here. It doesn't look too bad, considering. Yeah. Do you let this sit? Just as long as it takes me to do the whole thing, get back to it, wash it off. Okay. All right, Ty, so we got number 2, cleaner number 2 going on. What's this stuff? This stuff is a high alkaline, all-purpose cleaner. Okay. It's gonna help it clean it more, and maybe that's the pie slips and stuff up with. You just brush it in a little bit? Yeah. Like, we're looking for it to go bubbly like soap? Yep. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Doesn't have to be anything too perfect, but yeah, just have to be a little bit. Okay. So this is an acid etch. Yep. 3rd step. Just going to create an etch so the new coating can bond a little bit better to all these surfaces. Oh yeah, this stuff smells like you shouldn't breathe it. Get a good armful of that. Yeah. just got it from the showroom. She's shiny, guys. This is, you know, I wore all the paint off because I ride it hard. But it's all coated. I mean, it's going to encapsulate all that rust so that they don't continue to rust. Everything's taken care of. Got her back together. Seats on, plastics on. Man, that is clean. And it's super protected now. Like, water is just going to bead right off her.